Red Bulls making their final Western Conference trip out here to British Columbia to take on Vancouver here in BC Place against the Whitecaps, a game that'll come up on Saturday, 7 o'clock start time on the East. A lot of storylines going into this game over the course of the weekend for this Red Bull team. They will start play 4 points back of NYC for the top record in the Eastern Conference. New York struggling on the road during the course of this year, but right now a solid third place in the East and an opportunity to pull into a second place tie with Toronto. Red Bull team that'll go for number 12 overall in terms of wins, but will be playing without a couple of players on international duty. Sacha Kljestan playing with the U.S. men's national team and Kemar Lawrence with the Jamaican national team. Let's hear from head coach Jesse Marsch with a preview of the Red Bulls Whitecaps match coming on Saturday.
All these different moments throughout the year, we've missed guys from injury, from call-ups, from different things, and we've always had guys step in and get the job done. And that's been one of the great things about this team, is that no matter who we call on the day, they are ready to step up, they're ready to win their battles, they're ready to understand tactically how to commit to what we do. So it'll be another version of that, and I always get excited. I always get excited when guys get opportunities, guys that put a lot of work in during the week but don't always get to show it on the weekend. And certainly Sean Davis has seized that opportunity. You know, Connor Lade did earlier in the year. So we've always had guys that are ready to step up, and it'll be an exciting chance for a few new guys again.
It's a Vancouver team that has struggled to find some consistency during the course of the 2016 year. The Whitecaps 9th place right now in the Western Conference, but only 4 points back of a playoff spot. New York will try and do something they've been unable to do since these teams started playing in 2011, and that's get a victory and 3 points against the Whitecaps. New York entering play into this one unbeaten in their last 9 in Major League Soccer activity, 4-0-5 overall. We've got Countdown to Kickoff coming at 6:30 Eastern Time. You can download the TuneIn Radio app or listen to us live at NewYorkRedBulls.com with the kickoff set for 7 o'clock. Covering Red Bull practice here in Vancouver, I'm Matt Harmon from Red Bulls Radio.